Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, a weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, investors are continuing to drive the gold markets. A new process opens the way for full-spectrum platinum beneficiation, and commodity lines to receive a boost from Transnet's R300 billion plan. The changing dynamics of the gold market over the past 10 years have led to an active investor-driven market, says precious metals consultancy GFMS Global Head of Precious Metals, Paul Walker.
Our house view at GFMS is that the macroeconomic news flow that we've seen over the last 3 months, which has been broadly favourable, at least the green shoots of recovery that some people have been talking about, we don't buy that view. We think there's going to be a slowdown as we move into the second, third, and certainly towards the fourth quarter of this year and into next year. There's going to be a requirement for the central banks to intervene again. QE3 will be back on the agenda, the kind of balance sheet expansions, all the things that have played into gold's hands over the last 3 or 4 years, we believe will probably come back onto the radar screen.
The KEL process, which slashes electricity consumption by eliminating the power-guzzling smelting step in the processing of platinum group metals, also opens the way for full-spectrum platinum beneficiation, including the facilitation of fuel cell and autocatalytic converter manufacture.
Smelting consumes somewhere around about 1,000 kilowatt hours per tonne of concentrate smelted. The KEL process consumes 140 kilowatt hours per tonne of electricity. So there's the one benefit there, and if we look at electricity, since 2008 has gone up 260%, it's going up another 16% in April. There's cost reduction there for a start.
About 1/3, or around R100 billion, of Transnet's R300 billion 7-year rolling capital investment program will be directed towards the upgrade and expansion of South Africa's key commodity export corridors.
We want to restore that confidence. We would like to be of assistance to the coal producers for them to export their coal. We want to be of assistance to the coal producers for the coal that they're selling to Eskom, that it be transported on road, and also the iron ore producers, that they're able to export their iron ore and also transport the iron ore that is intended for beneficiation in Vanderbijlpark or in Newcastle, so that we come to the party and assist them in their endeavors. And at the end of the day, this is of benefit to the South African economy.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged onto miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.